Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Welcome into the fast-paced world. Many of us working are looking for ways to make the most of our living spaces, and what better way to go do but then with beautiful smart furnitures. Today we are going to explore some truly stunning and modern wooden furniture's design that are all not only stylish but also incredibly clever at saving spaces. Imagine furniture that works harder to for you without sacrificing beauty. First up, let's talk about transformable tables. Pictures these are sleek coffee tables that with a simple lift and pull transform into a dining tables, perfect for small apartments where every square foot counts. These often come with hidden storage to making them even more useful. Think light natural woods finishes for a bright open feel. Next we have the magic of wall mounted and folding desk. No need for a bulky office setup when you have a desk that fold neatly against the wall when not in use. Some even have built-in shelves for your books or decor. It's about having a dedicated workspace without it taking over your rooms. Look for design with clean lines and minimalist hardware. Now let's look at storage beds. These are not just for kids anymore. Modern storage beds are elegant and offer incredible hidden spaces. Think drawers inbuilt into the base or even hydraulic lifts that reveals a huge compartment underneath the mattress. It's like having a hidden closet for your extra bedding, clothes, or a seasonal time. Using a simple, sturdy wooden frames makes them feel very contemporary. And what about modular shelving units? Forget the old bulky bookshelves. Modern wooden shelving system can be rearranged to fit any space. You can add or remove sections, change their height, or even turn them into rooms dividers. This flexibility is key for adapting to your changing needs and making a space feel custom. Design natural wood combined with open design keep them light and airy. Don't forget about nesting tables and chairs. These are fantastic for when you need extra surfaces or seating about but want them to disappear when not in use. Smaller tables slide neatly under larger ones, and their chairs can often stakes or fit perfectly together. It's about having options up without letters. Lastly, let's think about multifunctional seating. This could be an ottoman that opens for a storage or a bench that doubles as a shoe racks in your entryway. These pieces are designed to serve more than one purpose, making your home more efficient and organized. Solid wood with simple can make these pieces look really chic. The beauty of these design lies in their simplicity and cleverness. They prove that you don't need a huge home to have a beautiful, functional, and organized space. By choosing wooden furniture that's designed with space having saving in mind, you can create a home that truly. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.